Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For my birthday I received the Echo Show 5. This is on Amazon for only $49.99 at the moment. My first Amazon product. Never had an Amazon Echo or anything like that. So I suppose I've got a lot to learn about how these function, but it can't be very much different to what maybe a Google Home is or something like that. My friend over at Stu's Reviews.
Obviously I wouldn't recommend sharing a headphone with your dog.
He is the Amazon man. He has all the Amazon Echo reviews, unboxings and stuff like that. Go ahead and have a look at his channel to check out some more Amazon gadgets. So I know this was released sometime in the summer last year, so it's not brand new. Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out and built-in camera cover. It's a 5.5 inch display. Let's have a look. So it's pretty simple really, a power adapter, a manual, and then the Echo Show 5. And neat, that's quite a neat device. So let's pretend it's a phone. It's a 5.5 inch display, a thick body. Yeah, you can see the display there. I thought it was going to be even smaller than that actually. Obviously you've got big bezels. This must be the camera cover for people who are paranoid about hackers getting into your camera. That's pretty nice. So it's got a nice fabric on there. Makes it look and feel very homey. Homely. Very homely. So on the back from the left, that's your power input. Micro USB connector in the center. That's not used for power. So it'll just be maybe data transfer if you've got music on a device. And then to the right, a 3.5mm audio output. So you could potentially plug headphones in there. Very rubbery and grippy base. So it's going to be sturdy and stuck on most surfaces you place it on. So you have a few fancy buttons and switches on the top. This is the camera cover to cover the camera. Volume up and down. Camera and mic on and off. And this must be the speaker grill. Let's apply some power to the device. We have liftoff. So let's recognise the camera shutter is closed. Let's open it. Camera on. Let's get set up.
Hello, ready for setup.
Wow. I can see why they've put the speaker grills at the bottom because it resonates on any surface, and depending on the surface it will sound different, but sounds great. Okay, so it's picked up my 5 GHz band as well because I've got 2 set up, so it is dual band. It's great. Pop in my password. Welcome Paul Smith. How do you know my name? Alright, click continue. Let's just give it a name. Quite easy typing on this. Geeky stuff.
This device is ready.
Okay, so we're home. Got the time on the top there. We have the... That's not even full volume. I'll turn the mic off there. That is going to be super, super loud. Again, turn camera off. Turn camera on. But Alexa, set an alarm.
Alarm for what time?
2 p.m.
Alarm set for 2 p.m.
Good afternoon, it's 2 p.m. Alexa, stop the alarm. Alexa, show me the latest news.
Here's your news. From BBC News.
Hello, this is BBC News with me, Victoria Derbyshire. The headlines.
Brilliant.
The British Prime Minister has
Alexa.
spent the night
Home.
In hospital, 10 days after being diagnosed with coronavirus. He's said to be undergoing tests as a precaution. Scotland's chief medical officer
It still plays
resigns
in the
after
background.
making 2 trips to her second home
Alexa.
during the lockdown.
Stop. So we can pull down from the top. We have a few more settings here. We can adjust the brightness of the device, go home, do not disturb, and then settings. Let's connect a Bluetooth device in a moment. But here are all your settings. Let's go and connect.
Now connected to Pixel 3 XL.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Smaller babies may be delivered by stork, but the heavier ones need a crane.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.
That's only halfway and that is already loud. Obviously it changes depending on the surface you have it on. Now I've got quite a hollow table here with just 4 legs and it resonates along this and sounds really, really bassy. If you put it on a solid, more of a solid surface, then you're going to get a different sound. But the power, the loudness is great. So obviously if you are Amazon Prime or whatever, I've got an Amazon account, you get all your Amazon Originals, Prime Movies, Prime TV shows, and there's more categories there as well. So you can have all this content straight on the Amazon Echo Show 5. So let's try and take a picture. Alexa, take a picture.
Okay, get ready.
Where am I? Where am I? I'm there.
Saving to Amazon Photos.
There we go. So using the Alexa app on your phone, you can send a message.
From Paul. Hello, dinner is ready.
That's quite a handy communication tool there to have. You can also drop in on your device. Allow. Let's have a look at this. So there's 2 of me, as you can see there. Video call quality seems to be good. Can you change the... You can end or video off. Let's turn my video off this end and just have me. So we know the video test works. Bye. Alexa, call Jaden.
Calling Jaden's mobile.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Is it loud and clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I can indeed, yeah. So this is it, guys. A tiny little powerhouse of a speaker. Beautiful clarity, beautiful sound quality, a great deal of bass as well. The ability to have video calls, pictures, make and receive phone calls, obviously play music, listen to alarms, watch all your Amazon Prime shows, news, all by voice activation. And obviously the ability to touchscreen as well, which is great. Turn the camera off or on. Maybe the only thing that might be lacking for some users is maybe some users might want to install apps, maybe YouTube or something like that. So you're limited in that respect. It's only $49.99, and the features you do get for this price, I think, are very good. I may start building onto the Amazon ecosystem. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Any questions, pop them down below. This is the Amazon Echo Show 5. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.